The strangest place that most people find orchids growing is in the desert. And they grow on circumstances that you find strange. Frequently grow as epiphytes on things like swastika or some of the mesquite bushes that are typically found in the desert. They have the roots which will go up the dried stem. They will have long periods where they go dormant, and all of a sudden they get a little rain and they burst into flower like most desert plants do. Very common in the desert then. Certain species are there. They are very strange in the fact they don't flower very much. They flower maybe once a year, only in a few weeks when that moisture comes in. And then they will blow the mind because they're so gorgeous.